Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 3 power x by 4 power x is equals to 5 by 2 power x and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I am going to multiply with 2 power x both sides. We can cancel out this. So what is left? 3 power x times 2 power x by 4 power x is equals to 5. Now 3 power x times 2 power x by 4 power x, we can write it as 4 as 2 times 2 whole power x is equals to 5. Now according to exponent rule, x times y whole power m, we can write it as x power m times y power m. So 3 power x times 2 power x by 2 power x times 2 power x is equals to 5. Now we can cancel out this. So 3 power x by 2 power x is equals to 5. 3 by 2 whole power x is equals to 5. So to find the value of x, I am taking log both sides. So x log 3 by 2 whole power x is equals to log 5. So x log 3 by 2 is equals to log 5. So x is equals to log 5 by log 3 by 2. So according to log rule, log a by b, we can write it as log a minus log b. So x is equals to log 5 by log 3 minus log 2. The value of log 5 is 0.69897 while the value of log 3 is 0.4771 and the value of log 2 is 0.3010. So let's put all the values here. So x is equals to 0.69897 by 0.4771 minus 0.3010. So x is equals to 0.69897 by 0.1761. So when we divide this number, we get 3.9694. The value of x is 3.9694. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.